Okay, hello everyone. I'm back at it again, and I got my second pair of Jordans. I don't see what kind they are. They're...
It's the real Nightmarejuggalo.
And Hislet. I'm just on her channel. This one, right there. And it's the... I don't know if you guys can actually read it. Jordan Reveal Premium. Yeah. Open the box. Wow.
Oh, you're gonna have to keep this thing.
Yeah, no kidding.
You're gonna have to buy straight over.
Size 9.
Dad, can you help me over the gate?
This is the right shoe. It looks weird because it's not. I'm not wearing it.
It's on the bottom.
Oh, I think I did. Show this one first. That's the bottom. Yeah.
And that includes unboxing with Nightmarejuggalo son.
Yeah. Alright. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. And yeah, whoop whoop.